What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. Let me know that you have those chats coming through your ears. Hit those A's in the chat right now, man. Hit the A's, hit the A's, hit the A's. What is up, my people? Oh my goodness. I realized that I didn't press go. Right? So guys, we're coming up to that target for take profit right now. Your trade should be looking massively green. We're supposed to be getting out at that 330.90. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Man, your position should be up around 25% if you ended up getting in right around that same area, right, team? And I'm not going to lie to you for 1 second. This trade is looking massive, right? Check it out. SMA 50 coming out right at that point. Team is going to be 330 at 331.11, 331.08. It is falling right into it. Here we go. I'm not going to front right now, team. I'm just going to go ahead and get out of the market right now. I am completely out with a 31% gainer on the day. Let's go. Let's go. Throw those A's in the chat if you got your profits. Throw those A's in the chat if you got them. This thing still has some more downside to go. Don't even trip. We are good and looking positive on the day. Damn. Whoo, boy. Let's go. Come on, man. Man, that's awesome. That is awesome. Bro, Fern 5 coming in with a 2 easy, bro. Oh, let's go. All right, man. All right. What a start. What a start to the day, man. We just came in and banged out 35%. Let's go. Let's go. We got to be in tune with the markets. We got to be in tune with price action, and it's looking great. Congratulations, team. I love it. Man. Yeah, Bob, right out the chute. Let's get it. Oh, dude, that was a clean play, you guys. That was a clean play. Oh, that is awesome, man. Ian Tucker is only going to be a matter of time, boy. Yeah, 100% agree with Cryptic. Look at this thing. It looks weak. It still looks like it wants to fall even into the 329.27. At this point, it almost feels like it just wants to get a validation of that SMA 50 at the hourly time frame. You know, that was massive. Check it out, team. Look at this thing just go. Massive play. 5-minute candle just looking out of control right now. That is crazy. Microsoft doing the same thing? No way. And I was trying to see if there was anything with Tesla, and I couldn't really find it, right? But let's see Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft is doing it. That's right. Let's see the hourly linear regression on damn. Oh my goodness. Guys, yeah, everything is falling off the freaking planet right now. That is awesome. Meta just killing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Damn, Joey, careful because you're at resistance right now, but don't let me color your opinion, okay? That is an awesome trade. This sounds like everything is probably super overextended right now. Look at this thing. The RSI on the 5-minute looking ice cold. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at the RSI here. Oh, it's reaching its gravitational gravitational zone, and it still feels like it can actually sell a little more on the hourly time frame. Wow. Oh wow. This is incredible. Yeah, dude, this was insane for sure. This is incredible. Guys, what a clean play. We just literally banged out like hundreds of dollars in the first shoot. Let's go. Oh my goodness, man. That is something else. Steve, let's see. Someone mentioned PCSA yesterday. I grabbed a few hundred at 50 average. Let's see. Thank you to whomever it was. That is awesome, Steve. Thank you so much for sharing that. SMA 50 hourly time frame validation. They may actually beat that SMA 50. I will say, right, the 5-minute time frame could come back up to that EMA 7. Right, 331.98. But honestly, here that let's see, that would be 330.83 at the SMA 50. That's not bad. It's not too close. I cannot tell if we can just scalp the market here and continue to the downside. But remember, team, I don't think so. Right? Sometimes things just get a little too overextended, and then the rest of the magic happens. So, for example, let me show you this on the SPY. The SPY 6-hour time frame just closed, and it closed inside of this linear regression band. So I'm thinking here that the SPY 6-hour comes down to the SMA 20, right at the center of the bands right here, at 470.46. That could be part of the reason why things may actually continue to the downside, but I can't tell. To tell you the truth, Meta and SPY feel completely inverse to each other today. Here we go. Let's see if we're going to get that EMA 7 test on the 5-minute right at around 332.15 on Meta. Good morning, John. Good to see you here. Steve, what is up, my brother? Rick. Cryptic Trader saying still has downside. I still think so too. And I think it just wants to test some major resistances, right? I do think, right? At least inflection for shorts would be 332.17 at this point, right at the EMA 7 on the 5-minute. And then if it's going to do that, then, I mean, the position at 332.17 compared to the hourly time frame LRC feels like it could still go up a little more, right? So if you're looking at the LRC on the right hand, on the right screen, this is the resistance I'm at, right? So if we move that ever so slightly to the upside and match it to the 5-minute, then it looks like we're getting the SMA 10 resistance, and it's at the other, which would be the resistance top side of the range at 332.83, and then that's already the top of the regression band too. Right, so there could be a few reasons why the price action would go up here and then continue rejecting to the downside. Meta, it looks weak. It looks weak. Right, so yeah, let's keep a close eye here. Rick L saying CCCC was $3 yesterday, over 6 and going. Damn, what the hell happened there? Oh my goodness. And here's Meta again, let's see if it gets a bounce from that SMA 50 on the hourly time frame, because I'm not sure if that's enough, right? Not sure if it's enough to get that the resistance so close to it. I mean, it may very well just dump from here. It doesn't have to do anything. I'm just saying it looks like it looks like it could bounce a little bit higher still. Let's see. I'm going to get 332.50 Meta puts, right? Yeah. Netflix is dropping too. Let me pull that up. Let's take a look at that in the hourly time frame and see what it's doing. Oh, okay. All right, so that actually bounced off right from the center. Yeah, this was a great play too. So check it out. Opening of the candle up here, 482.63. Came back down, beat the linear regression band. It closed inside of the previous zone at 475.98. So since we had a wick to the downside and that penetrated the center of this range, I think that's the reason why it's a gravitation right towards the downside. I have to update this LRC. So that's just keep that in mind, team. All right, Meta's still not. Yeah, Meta's still not piercing through this SMA. Oh, here we go. The new 5-minute candle is trying to do it. And the new 5-minute candle is a closure beneath the EMA 7. And so there will be a continuation. It would be a continuation candle here. Let me see. If this thing can rock up to 331.78, man, that's it. At this point, because of the closure to the 5-minute, it adjusted the moving averages ever so slightly. So, let's see. Definitely don't want to force the trade, right? We cannot force a trade. You know what? Let's see. Hold on real quick, buddy. GDC got the hourly closure, bro. Oh. Up on top. Damn, no way. GDC got an hourly closure outside, but it's coming back down. The resistance level is located right at 285 to about 287. this is likely to come down some more. 15-minute time frame falling beneath the RSI SMA 14. Yeah, same thing on the 30, bro, and same thing on the hourly. Everything is pivoted towards the downside on this. It looks like it's gonna find maybe some support here on the bi-hourly time frame, and if that support, I'll just go ahead and put it in there. Let me see what it could be. Yeah, SMA 10 support at 279. It's that's the next stop for now. And then we have to see if it can close this, if it can close an hourly candle above that, or at least a 2 hour, 1 minute and 47, 1 hour, 47 minutes. So in other words, I think it wants to test either the EMA 21 on the hourly time frame would be 273, and then the inflection would be down here at 265. So careful on that. Yeah, Bob, this would be the time where bonds fall and the DXY falls, right? Pressure to the upside on stock market is completely inverse correlated to the DXY. So a weak DXY means a strong stock, and a weak bond is also a strong equity. Meta still not piercing through that SMA 50. Let's see if it gets that bounce to the upside here to that EMA 7, which could be right at around 331.81. There you go. Strong gold and silver too. That is right, my brother. And if I'm not mistaken, oil. So all of those things combined for an inverse play, right? Very cool stuff. Resistance is also located at 331.76 at the prior bar low. So the entrance, I guess, you could play a small range here, right? A small scalp range, 331.91 down to the SMA 50 at 330.88. Entry could be at 331.89, but it's just that's a very tiny space. I would rather just wait for more validation. Right, so let me take a look at Tesla. Damn, Tesla ripping to the moon. Let me see the 6 hour. Yeah, 6 hour resistance coming up at 249.40. Oh my goodness, that looks awesome. You know what? I shouldn't have been. There you go, my brother. That's GDC coming back down to that EMA 21. Careful, because it could be located at 272 or the bottom side of the linear regression band at 267. Careful, right? So Tesla might flip everything up, dude. I think so, right? Because damn, but Meta, dude, Meta's breaking below the SMA 50 now. And look at, dude, I think Meta's bringing Tesla down. Look at it. Ooh, I'm not going to lie for 1 second. The direction of the market, I can't really tell. The direction of the market, I can't really tell, team. So I'm not engaging in anything right now with uncertainty. There is no clear direction just yet, team. So we don't long or we don't bet against the market if there's no clear direction. So there's so So Cryptic Trader saying we need to wait. Completely agreed. Aiden Davis saying there's so much opportunities after the new days. Oh yeah. So the first trade was already green. Massive gainer for everyone here, team. Very happy for everyone. Ian Tucker, we're gonna be rocking them, man. We're gonna be rocking them side by side, dude. Don't you worry. I love that you're being true to your word, and I love that you're being a true master student. This is gonna be incredible for us, man. Just a sec, team. Fern5 completely agreed with you too. Rocca saying that Apple is headed north as well. Okay, so you got that bounce from the EMA 21, ever so slightly from it, right? We said 272, it bounced at 276. Now so I guess 43 minutes would tell all, but still, resistance of the SMA 200, that's going to prevent things from moving up. Careful, okay? GDC is what I'm talking about at 298. Let me just go ahead and take a look at who said who said it was Apple, right? Rocca, what's up, buddy? Let's take a look at it. Oh, let me see. Yeah, Sebastian, I'm looking at your drawing right now. Hold on. What time frame is this? This is daily. Oh, damn. Daily time frame. Descending, broadening wedge at resistance. Probably breakout. Okay. All right. So the Cryptic Trader, I think, is dead on the money by saying that Tesla may flip everything. Take a look. I know it's going to be a little bit small here, but let me see if I can open it up in a browser. Here we go. This is Sebastian Lim's drawing. He just gave it. He just gave it to us. So what he's talking about here is potentially a broadening wedge, daily time frame. We are currently 246.91 at the resistance and potential breakout. So if I'm looking at this correctly, his red moving average would be the SMA 200. It could dip back down right there upon this resistance before a launch to the upside and completely break out. This is test number 4, true breakout here. Bro, good find on this. Let's go ahead and keep an eye on Tesla. And also, I don't think Apple's leading the way in anything right now. I think the ones, dude, are Meta and Tesla. So Tesla right now, dude, I think if it does break above the where's your resistance? Tell me again, Sebastian. The red is the SMA 100. Got it. Thank you. What's your top side resistance on the wedge? The wedge is that 246.91? Meta, yeah, Meta is completely taking it. Check this out. Check out the Meta. Actually, you know what? I think we could even do it on a 3-minute or a 2-minute. But yeah, the 3-minute is displaying a dead cat bounce. Potential support being found at 329.61. Pfizer, huge opportunity. Let me see. Yeah, definitely. Pfizer definitely could be a pretty good opportunity too. Mid cap, right? So this thing would actually, yeah, I mean, clean shooting star on the hourly time frame. The Pfizer play would be, I would trust this play in 40 minutes though. We need to see if we're going to close beneath the beneath 26.48 or above it, right? And that's going to give us the confirmation candle from a shooting star for a continuation to the downside. And Meta feels like it. Meta feels like it wants to bring the entire market down with it. And I don't know if it's going to be able to get that dead cat, right? I don't know what it's going to use it like. The 329.61 bottom. So Sebastian, you're at 248 resistance on Tesla. The top side of this 6-hour candle is 248.04, right at that resistance. Okay. Let me see the shorter time frame Lin regs here, right? So bi-hourly, an hour 39, 2 hours 39 for the 3-hour, an hour 39 for the 4. Obviously the 6 just closed. Hour 39 for the 8-hour. There we go. Okay, so the 8-hour time frame, a break above 248. I would really prefer that to be a break above 249.32 and also above the 8-hour linear regression, which would be at 248.77. So a break above there and a close of this 8-hour candle above that, dude, it's going to be a massive upside. And it very well could be a massive one. Let me get my water bottle. See, I'm feeling super raspy at this point. My goodness. All right, team, I am back. Thank you so much for holding on. I will like to show you something, right? So you guys remember we started the $500 account, right, with me. Before it did like 2 trades in Webull to get it up to $1,000, $1,080. Right. So now that I've been recently trading here on Dash Trader, I just want to show you, right, what it's looking like thus far. So let me just go ahead and pull this up like this, and we're just gonna go. It's a tiny little number. It's gonna be hard to see it, right? Of course, but right as of day trades from yesterday, the account is currently sitting at 1,646. So the meta trade that I just did was around $200 right now. So we're about to break into $2,000 from the $500 initial, right? So it's looking pretty good. So if I'm able to maintain it in portfolio, I want to see how far I can take it. Right? We want to see how well we can do that. Double X, did I see you here earlier in the day? I'm sorry. I think I missed a couple people's. Mike J, how you doing, guys? The US1. I'm sorry, you guys. I know that we just went in banging out the whole place and we didn't look at nothing, right? My apologies to you. Katie Cat, good to see you here. I hope that you were able to rock that play with me. Powder Slave, Yardaline, Ernie, what's up? June, what's up, buddy? Ooh, no way. Did it really? I know that I'm talking a different type of stock right now, but damn. Yeah, and this is really what I was talking about, right? My bottom target for GTI, please remember the play. I'm talking about a 43.08 bottom. 43.08. See, it already touched inside of my range here. That's great. But I think 43.08 could be the one here. Okay, so don't trust it. You're gonna get bounces from these areas here. It's a lot of demand there. Just give it some time, okay? But anyway, let me come back and say what's up, right? Firm 5, what's up, buddy? Ian Tucker, good to see you. Zenon, always good to see you, my dude. I know I said hi to Mike J already, right? But Damon, what is up, buddy? Good to see you too. Aiden Davis, love you, man. It's all good, Aiden. Let's wait for it right now, right? The setup could be prepping for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at our plays right now. Yeah, there could be a play here in meta 34 minutes. Let's just see what's up. Michael, what's up? Cyber Sultan, always good to see you guys. Sasquatch, what is good? Guys, what happened to Off-Grid Gorilla? I'm about to blast that guy in Discord. I'm gonna find out where he is, man. We're about to call that guy. All right. So here's the meta 3-minute. Let me see the 5-minute actually. I want to see how relevant it is to those resistances. Yeah, 5-minute time frame. EMA 7 at 331.04. And let's see what Tesla is doing, right? So we want Tesla to start closing candles above the 248 mark. Double X saying, yeah, I've been in here. Don't be slipping on me, my boy. Bryce fighting on pay-per-view Saturday. Short notice. Fill in 2-1. No way. Good to see you, Double X, my brother. Scott, what's up, man? Tom R, what is up? Let me see this. Let me see the SPY. Let's see what it wants to do, though. I don't have immediate direction on the SPY. But what I will say is if it closes, yeah, I mean, if the SPY closes beneath 472.89, If it closes beneath 472.89 on this next 33 minutes, that's a bear play. But I'm not sure. The thing here I'm not sure of is how long that's gonna last, right? And I really mean that, because of Tesla. Tesla is slowly pushing towards the upside here, and I feel like it's even pulling Meta up with it, and even AMD. So semiconductors are coming back up alongside the SPY. So I don't know if Tomar saying my day job is getting in the way a lot lately. Yeah, Sebastian, I'm gonna have to agree with you, buddy. Let's go, Tom. So if the SPY is gonna deliver here, if the SPY is gonna guide anything here, it would be because of the E-mini futures, right? So let's go take a look. Okay, let's see what it's got. Let me draw in its high. Yeah, the S&P 500 E-mini futures contracts tested its all-time high, but let me see just what that all-time high was. 4808 all-time high on the S&P 500 E-mini futures, 4800, right? So the top side of this candle here is a high of 4791, so it's topping out as a double top. Let me see some indicators alongside this thesis. So let's see real quick. Let's pull up not volatility, because it's really not volume based. So let me pull up the RSI here, at least that. Well, the futures contracts would be volume based. The SPX is not volume based. Okay, so yeah, let me pull up. Where is it? Where's the BBWP? Okay, cooling. Expansion happening on a daily. That's very nice. Let me pull up stochastics as well. Okay, let's see what's up. Completely overextended on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what's good. 4-hour time frame breaking beneath the SMA 14 on a 4-hour. Damn. Completely overextended, and contraction is going to start happening here on the 4-hour. Let's go to a smaller time frame. What's the hourly saying? Hourly time frame, 29 minutes to close beneath this 4,781. The E-mini futures are feeling a little shaky here. I don't think that they would completely die off. But I don't think it would completely fall off the Richter here, but I do think that there could be a little bit of breathing room to allow further upside, if anything. So from this point, I think the E-minis could fall easily another 10 points here. Yeah, and it's probably going to close beneath this 4781. Okay. All right, it was good to see that. 28 minutes to close. Let me see what Meta is doing. Yeah, Meta completely indecisive in its let me go to the hourly time frame on Tesla as well. Damn it. Tesla will not tell us. If anything, guys, if anything is going to give us any type of direction, yeah, screw it. You know what? I'll look at it. Let me see. Let me see Nvidia. Nvidia, yeah, okay, good call. Nvidia will tell us because it's in sympathy with the SPY right now, right? So, and NAS. So, yeah, Nvidia looks strikingly similar. Damn, it's not big enough. It's not big enough. You know, Nvidia is small. What I mean is just, I'm sorry, Nvidia is small. It's just Nvidia is really, really heavy. So I'm not sure if this is going to actually pull everything too. Oh, Nvidia is definitely going to tell us this, team. Thank you, Bob. It looks like Nvidia may be the play here, team. So Nvidia, yeah, let's go ahead and start peeping out Nvidia. Let's prepare this for a 26-minute play here. There could be a front run to this, right? But I think here that Nvidia would be the banger. 481.85 would be the resistance and close. We're already breaking prior bar lows, and it's entirely conditional upon that close, right? So if we can close beneath the area 481, let me see how close I can get to that target. Let's see. $481.91. I'm gonna make a little bit of a trend line here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 481.91 is the condition here. Netflix is looking ugly too. I can't tell on Tesla for sure. Can Netflix give us that direction on the hourly? This is at inflection right now. That can give it to us too. Yep. 25 minutes to close below inflection. We're already breaking the range from that. Netflix is the secondary play here, team. Well, we're going to find out for Nvidia, but it's so far we can't tell because we need to see if we're going to close above 481.91. So right now it's puts, right? But if it closes in 24 minutes above the 481.91, then it would be calls. So Netflix here. I'm wondering if Netflix has the power to just bring everything down. It's heavy enough, right? So that would mean that Nvidia and Netflix, if they play together in harmony for a downside, holy God, you know that's gonna be mega pressure. Oh, damn. 24 minutes to close. Let me see this. Zen is saying that my day job has been getting in the way this morning. LOL. I should have sold my Nvidia calls yesterday because I was up 120%. Now I'm down 45%. Down. You went from positive 120 to negative 45? Brother, never hold options contracts overnight. Never hold your options contracts overnight. Ian, for real? Dude, what? That is incredible, brother. That is massive. Massive. Damn, it feels like Netflix it feels like is completely getting a front run right now. Let me see. Rick L saying, thank you, my first 5-digit payday. My bro. I love to hear it. There's support. Yeah, support Netflix coming up at 469.16. Actually, it would be... Support would be 468.83. Damn it, man. Netflix is awesome. Ah. It's completely falling off a cliff here. Let me see something. Yeah, let me see something. Oh my goodness, Meta. The Spy 2. Wow. Meta is definitely coming down. And I think Netflix is leading the way. Okay, so I would say 5 minute, what, let's see, 1 minute, or how long does it have? Bearish engulfing on a 5 minute. Break beneath the bars. This is already looking like it could have a front run here down to the SMA 100 or the SMA 200. This is a lot. This is so much. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Hold on, team. I don't even know where to go. There's so much. Sensory is going insane right now. Oh my goodness, dude. I don't even know what to choose. Yeah, Zen is saying so many choices. I hear that, man. We're gonna have to stick to one and play it. Here it falls. Let's see, 24 seconds left to close beneath this candle here at 329.45. This could be a short-term time frame scalp. Literally can come back up or continue to the downside right away. But this would be like 327.50 Meta puts. Here's the close. Let's see if it rises up just a little bit, right? That upside could be that, yeah. Let's see. Nice, Rick L. That is good to hear, my bro. Very good to hear. All right, I'm going to go ahead and gain exposure here on Meta. I'm in. Oh, nice. Already in the money. Damn. Here we go. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pump to the upside. If it goes a little further into that 329.42, I will gain more exposure. But right now, I'm barely at break even to slash 1% up, 2% up, 3%, 4%. Whoa. Let's go. All right. Let's see. I just gained a little more exposure right now. 327.50 puts. December 15th expiry. I'm going to go in a little more if I just get some more pop here. I want a little more. Yeah, these are a bit pricey. I'm not going to lie. You can also trade the 322.50s. Aiden, check the 322.50s. Damn, JD Nettle saying got 5 racks to hang, so I backed the truck up on, to the forklift so I can blast the live stream. Happy day, everybody. Man, That is awesome, my brother. I love it. Okay. Yeah, I think I could afford maybe one more for position, but I think I'm already set. For the short-term downside, let's see if we can make a price target at the SMA 100 hourly time frame 327.92. $17 minutes to close the hourly candle beneath the linear regression at 329.15. But I am positioned. Remember that we're talking about paper trades and simulator trading here, team. Got to keep retail safe. All right, here we go. I want to see if I can get that exposure right in 329.43. Okay, come on. Ah. I'm like, no. Nah, come on. Ah. I wanted to get that one more. Come on, man. Oh, dude. Oh, team. I'm up now. It's just I wanted more. Oh no. All right, come on. Let's see if we can get that little poppy action here, right? 15 minutes, 56 seconds. I don't want it there. I'm not going to gain my last exposure right there. I don't want it there. I want it up. It's going to be flexing around -5, -6 to +1, +4, yeah. All right, let's see if we can get it. 329.43. I got the trigger ready. And if it does it, you know what? I'm gonna wait for it. Actually, 329.43. That feels like I'm giving myself out. 329.61 is the range. Let's see. Look at this thing. Oh man. I'm so happy that it's rising in low volatility, right? So that's why the position is not so crazy. Oh, man. Oh, let's go. Come on. 14 minutes to close. Ah, dude, nice. There we go. Oh, that's the one right there. So let's see if we can go to that 329.60, right? The one that we were saying. This, you guys. Come on, move it. I'm gonna gain more exposure at that 329 potentially 329.60. And we still have 14 minutes to close. Oh man. Yeah, 5-minute time frame. The EMA 7 is getting dropped down closer and closer to the targets that we kind of want. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling like I'm just gonna miss it trying to get in on this last entry. Come on, man. Push it, brother. Okay, so I mean price action in the hourly time frame, it's right at inflection. My position is sitting on a -3%, team. I'm literally just waiting for this thing to see if it can get a little bit of a higher valuation so I can long my last position in it. And I'm not gonna take it at just any place, right? I want to take it at the scariest place. 2, 3. Okay, gotcha. The position. Oh, right. Here we go. I mean, complete rejection at the range. That's also good. Yeah, Sebastian, I'm already exposed. I'm already scaling in. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That's the one. I'm gonna get the one right here. I got it. Yes. Nice. All right. Yeah. So that was right around there. Like this would be prime or at the 329.99, but this is prime right there. All right. So now I'm positioned and I'm ready. Let's see what it decides to do. Let's see. All right, cool. Good deal. 11 minutes. Nvidia will be closing beneath the EMA 21 at 481.04 and beneath the prior bar low. Completely bearish. I think we're prepped, team. I think we're ready to go. The position is sitting at minus 3% right now. Minus 4%. So at minus 3%, literally minus 1. Damn, I'm in the money. Like what? Yeah, I'm looking at the 327.50 puts, my brother. Buzz, you strangled Pfizer? You're playing the offset between call and put? Okay, team, I'm ready for closure. 11 minutes to go. Oh, nice. That's cool, Buzz. Aiden, you're in at 327.52. Okay. It's a bit of a pricey one, dude, but trust me when I say that three stages, four stages in out of the money. Those are still, I mean, yesterday, dude. I played meta like, say for example here. It's like the 330 is in the money, right? I played the equivalent of 317.50 yesterday for a massive 35% gainer. It was like $200 or $300 clean. Tiny little entries. For an upside? $10 minutes to close. I mean, I'm positioned and I'm ready. I'm minus 2%. Yeah, and they're also super volatile. What we're doing here is more of a momentum. But yeah, team, I think honestly we're just waiting for the validation here. Might as well just wait for those. Yeah, Danielle, it can be the 327.50 puts, or the other ones that I was looking at are the 322.50s. Both of these are, all of these. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contracts out of the money. All of those are super volatile. Yeah, Pfizer, 8 minutes to close, closing beneath the linear regression bottom. 26.49 will do it. 8 minutes to go. 26.49. This'll put. Right, that'll fall off a cliff. It's feeling like everything else on the market, brother. Here we go. We are right at it. We are right below inflection right now and looking good. 8 minutes to close. On the daily? Is there a gap down? All right. Yeah, watch out with this one. It's I would say temporarily bearish, okay? Still positioned here, team. Still just about 8 minutes left to close. And Danielle, if you were looking for potential long put, right around here is that position, right? So around 329.72 ish, or now, right around there. This is a lot of resistance here. And it looks, honestly, if you're observing this on the, this is right around where I longed it. Just about 7 minutes to close, even still. Come on, getting ready for the close. Let's do it. So Danielle, for you at this average, I would probably consider around 329.26. Whoa, completely moving. Oh, I see the hourly time frame. It could be the SMA 52. Moving in conjunction here with the, let me see which one it would be. Right in between the EMA 7 and the EMA 7 and EMA 9 on the 10 minute versus the hourly time frame SMA 50. That could be it. So, Seb, where are you at on this, brother? Are you in what contract? At these prices, man, I should just literally I think I could get in. Here we come to the SMA 50. 327.50. Are you full exposure already? Because I think I'm about to get some right now. It's rejecting off of the EMA 7. Or the SMA 50, sorry. We're talking about the SMA 50 at 330.85. Whoa, this thing is looking a little scary here, team. I may have to retract a little bit from the position to slow the rate of loss down and then recover. Hold on. Technologically, I can't even say it. What is good with you? Mark Roach, what's up, buddy? Okay, here's the resistance of the SMA 50. Let's see what's up, team. Morty Bojangles, good to see you here. SMA 20 on the 5. Let's see where it is. Hold on. SMA 20, the one at 329.90. SMA 10 resistance at 331.27. Recovering from the SMA 50 on the 5-minute you're talking about. SMA 20 located right at about 329.83. On the 5. Oh, right. We changed it to look at the SMA. There we go. So SMA 20, 329.68. Closing above the SMA 10 at 330.09. I'm watching it. Hold on. The hourly time frame is still pitched to the downside. 3 minutes to close. Beneath the SMA 50, that could present a bear case here. Yeah. I was looking at the SMA 10 support. I mean, also the SMA 20, bro. To be clean. Dude, I just think that the SMA 50 is a strong resistance, and this thing would push it back. So, for example, if the hourly time frame closes, like just say here, right? It closes at 3:30:09. I mean, this is what I wanted to modify in the linear regression bands. This would be gravitationally pulled back down to 329.41, of which then we could get out with maybe a tiny little gain and recover whatever, right? It may even come down to the wick again to try to what is it called, tweezer bottom. One minute and 52 seconds left, and that would be the first hourly candle to close beneath the SMA 50. I think this is longer term bearish, bro. You know, in the shorter term, sure, fluctuations, because I think longer term as in an hour. 1 minute, 26 seconds left to close. Team, let me take a sip of water just a moment. I'm here, guys. I'm here. Under 30 seconds. Five seconds left to close. Let's go. Closing beneath the SMA 10. There we go. 5 minute candle closed beneath the SMA 10. Good deal. Now let's start that zigzag to see what the hell we're going to do here, man. All right. So this could be the validation candle to come in. The hourly time frame just closed. This could be the validation candle at the SMA 50, touch and then resist to come back down to the 329.10, 329.05, and that could be the final recovery here. We will see. Aiden Davis. Did you just out yourself with the You just put Cryptic Trader Forever on your side, bro. Like, oh, guys, I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way to the SMA 50. I'm sorry if you're gonna try to catch entry up there, right? But oh my goodness, dude, that was the right thing to say. Oh my goodness, dude. All right, come on, let's get it. If it does do the SMA 50, team, I'll get long there. Let's go. That would be around 330.96 for the rejection, right? Oh, we still have what is that? We still have the SMA 20. 5 minute 331.21. That's so damn close. There's declining volume as we move up. Just a sec, team. Here we go. We like Bieber? I don't know about liking Bieber, bro. The SMA 20 is the one right here, that 321.15. Complete resistance from it, and looking like the SMA 50 is also playing its role within that resistance too. Aiden seems like he's either a Swiftie, dude. That girl, dude, that girl does not miss any type of corporate meetings or anything regarding her artistry and her music. She's present at everything. It's quite impressive, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, team. So if we do start breaking above that SMA 20, know that I'm gonna start dialing back and scaling a bit out so that I can minimize the loss or slow down the loss and play the inverse in a different manner. But it's still resisting from it. Dude, I'm for real. She's actually so Double X is saying, bro, I had you as a Swiftie. Am I wrong? I mean, maybe. Dude, she's kind of a young little badass, right? She's doing good. You know how much I'm resisting timing you out right now? Like, all right, team. Here's the complete rejection from the 50 and the SMA 20. Getting all scary, right? So let's see. Let's see what this thing got for us. Dude, good. Preston, what is up, my brother? Good to see you here, man. Remind me right now, because we're full on in a trade that can just demolish everyone. Okay. Wait, hold on. Tom R just saying Carol G. Carol G is X-rated. She. What is MVIS? Preston G, is it kicking your butt? Is MVIS kicking your butt? Is that what is that? Is that the rental company? The car rental? All right, cool. Here's the candle closing. Is it really? Katie Cat saying, I don't want to get demolished, please. It's Microvision? Oh, it's Microvision. Katie Cat, are you a Swiftie or are you a Bieber? She said, bruh. Change the name from Arca to Swiftie. I would probably get so much damn attention for that. That would be genuinely so funny, man. So they have a deal with Volvo, the Microvision thing. Dude, the Beebs, dude. Oh my goodness, man. Susan, what is good with you? How you doing? Well, all right. Here, guys, careful with this. We're starting to break above that SMA 20. I'm gonna have to remove. I'm gonna slightly diminish position if it does close it. Remind me, Susan. Okay, I just want to make sure that we can salvage everything here, because I gotta start removing or scaling just a little bit out here. I mean, maybe, dude. It really depends on a few things. This doesn't look, dude. I mean, to be very honest, man. I mean, for real, does it really look like it can really like recover all the way? I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel like it's not done doing its little dance. Damn it, Danielle. Wait. No, that shouldn't be the case, because you got 6-day trades now, remember? Yeah, we're just waiting for confirmation here, right? But Danielle with the one trade. Cryptic. Ah, dude. You know what it looks like? It's like you'll be A-okay. Dude, everything is frustrating right now, man. It's giving us the scares of our lives. Oh, you wait. I thought you no, it's the same broker, right? Same broker, different account. You can just transfer the cash. And I don't think it needs settlement. Cryptic, how do you do that? Cryptic, how do you do that thing? Oh, dude, me too. I'm holding right here, buddy. Cryptic, how do you do the thing between the two accounts? Like we're having the TD, like the two linked accounts. Do you have to wait for settlement once you? Do you have to wait for the cash to settle if you transfer cash from one TD account to another TD account? Yeah, Danielle, it takes like 10 minutes. Okay, well that's good to know. Yeah, that's what I was noticing yesterday, Batter, that it was finally looking like it could actually break above that 450. So you can transfer the whole position and everything? Damn, okay. I like. I hate getting trapped in plays like this. So, Danielle, look at what Cryptic is saying. I don't know. Obviously, I don't know if you're going to want to just make a move like that. But apparently, you can transfer over the whole position into another TD account. And then I think that it's like 10 minutes. So if that's the case, you know, I personally would. Okay, that was a close beneath the SMA 20, but opening above it. Let's see what's up. You're too going to do it while we're at a dogfight? Oh, I hear you. So this is going to be the make or break here, team, to start seeing if we can scale. Yeah, if any time ever, Daniel, I would consider it now. We have 4 minutes and 26 seconds left to see if this is going to hold here. Daniel always start the trade in the account with 1 day trade left. Yeah, with more than one left. Yeah, at least so you can play the ranges here, so you can get creative here. In case we're facing any trouble, we got to just get creative and get out, you know? Three minutes, 55 seconds left. And that's going to determine, team, the close of this is going to determine. Hold on. How much I'm going to be able, oh, it's at resistance right here too. How much I'm going to be able to just scale out, right? So I'm going to scale out incrementally so that I can be able to just maintain some position and salvage. Yeah, I see it here too. You're holding puts, or you're getting puts where? On Tesla, to me, it seems like it's going to dump. I'm loaded with puts on the... So you think Tesla's going to dump too? If Tesla dumps, it'll bring everything else down with it. Yeah, if it dumps, it's coming down. All right, let's see if we can catch resistance here, team, so we can start planning out a potential scale out and leave minor position exposure open so that we can reclaim it. You could be wrong. Let's see. Cryptic is saying that Tesla looks strong and may have a pullback though. And let me see that. Let me see this overall. Hourly time frame Meta feels like it wants to resist here. 2 minutes to close, team, and I will scale a little bit of position out. We're already getting a bit of resistance at this top side and at this candle top. If you have more than 1 day trade left. Okay, Apple is coming down. That's good to know. You're thinking that it could have a significant pullback. You took it, Aiden? Is it you had 2 or how many? The point here is to scale out, brother. We have to get creative. We've been here before. We've done it before. You had 1. No, I hear you. So chat saying it is a strong day. I just think it's got a significant pullback. Short sucks. Let me know, what is the SPX looking like, because the E-mini futures contracts were looking really weak. SPY's about to bring it down. Okay, Meta feeling some of that pressure from the SPY. John, please remind me. I'll get to that. It's just I'm exposed right now, and I want to make sure that we can get through this. Okay, Microsoft is also dumping. I see Meta feeling the pressure, though. I'm not going to lie. Yes. That's the... Apple is crashing too. Netflix starting the crash as well. Nvidia starting to crash. Roku completely crashing. SPY crashing. AMD crashing. This should start bringing this has got to bring down Meta soon. Short sucks. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's just we were super overextended yesterday. We have everything crashing around it. Oh my goodness. The world is literally ablaze. Wow. Okay, feel the damn pressure. Wow. I still haven't really scaled out, but I want, if it can get a little bit lower here to 331.30, then maybe, right? But okay, there we go. Starting to feel some of that pressure. Complete delayed reaction here. Yeah, look at the hold on just for a sec though. Yeah, so on Meta, check out the 322.50s or the 325s, right? Yeah, how is the entire world over here crashing? Yeah, no. Look, if you're gonna try that, your resistance is right here at 332.63, 332.70. Meta trailing SPY about to resist at the SMA 10. It just broke below 2 major moving averages. So that means that it's longer term bearish. Dude, me too. Yeah, Aiden, that would be it, like right around here. But don't look at the super expensive ones. Short sucks. As soon as I have no exposure, I'll be able to look. Just remind me, okay? But I do have a few of them. I remember a few people asked me. And yeah, what is the VIX saying, by the way? Let's take a look at the SPY and see what's going on with that one. Okay, all right. So it did feel the pressure. It came right back down too. It would be amazing if Meta actually started to respect its index. Yeah. Resistance was where did I tell you? 332.70? I got to get super creative here to get myself there too. And this is that short-term upside that is still getting, right? Hourly time frame, SMA 10, is still the resistance and the conversion of support into resistance. I'll teach you the meaning of respect. Yeah, Meta is disrespecting my puts. 100%, not a laughing matter. So, okay, 332.70 is the breaking point, right? And you have the 333.26 as the moving average resistance, but it's resisting from the mid band. I know, this is ridiculous. Hold on just a sec. Sebastian says SPY 5 minutes seems to be falling. Are you chatting in the moderators, dude? Show me. Okay. This is going to be the opportunity to start shaving a little bit off the market here, team. 331, let's do 331.57-ish. We could actually do 331.77. And I will realize a little bit from there and maintain exposure even still. That still has a way to go. You're at 50%. I was hoping to see something like that. Yeah, Aiden, keep an eye on that, okay? Let's see if we can pull it back down to 331.77. That's going to be one area where I'm going to start scaling out just a little bit to slow the rate of loss. Yeah, so Sebastian, I'm thinking that it still has more room. Meaning that we're like at 30% or 35% to the apex. We need to get to at least 65 or 70%. My personal opinion. But this downside here, it feels like it wants to just cover that entire gap that you're looking at. Let me know what you're thinking, Sebastian. It would be with let me see. Yeah, the SPY feeling the pressure from the SMA 10. Sebastian, so I know over what I just told you regarding what you just sent. Tom is saying, if Meta does not respect my SPY puts, I'm deleting my Facebook account ASAP. Nice. Okay, here we come, team. Here we come. Let's see. I want to see if I can remove or shave just a little bit off the top there, so I can slow the bleed down. I'm looking for 331.77, getting closer. Come on, come on. I hated that it's at this time too, 8:24 a.m. Going into lunchtime makes me feel so nervous here, but that would be the best case. All right, 331.80, 331.76. Here you go. I'm just going to remove a little bit from the market. Awesome. We need to slow that rate. We need to slow it down a little bit. So I'm sorry, what I was saying here is that I hated that it's so close to the lunchtime, but I think that's going to be the final resort here, and why I'm trying to get creative with just scaling out it, not pulling out the entire position, would be because of this. Closing this hourly candle beneath the linear regression band at 332.70. In 34 minutes and 45 seconds. Short sucks out for the day. Thanks, Arca. Brother, I didn't do anything. Damn it, man. Just while I have exposure, bro, I just, it would be terrible to leave. Oh, what is the comparison of the resistance? Let me see. Short sucks saying teaching. I'm learning every day. My brother, that is awesome. So I think, yeah, I think, do I have the guts to stick that out? That's what I'm talking about, team. Let me know what you're thinking about, Sebastian. This is what I'm thinking. 33 minutes close, 332.74. This thing falls, it'll push us back into the money. And that's what I'm thinking about as best case, right? Let me take a sip of water over here because I'm getting hot and bothered. Guys, hold on just a moment. I think my dog is attacking my cat. Hold on. No, what the heck? What do you mean, Smoke Ray? I've been here the whole time. I was just asking if you guys couldn't hear me. Yeah, hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm back. Oh my goodness. The freaking cat made the dog bleed in the lip. Oh my goodness, man. Anyway, Katie Cat, yeah, that's part of that. That unfortunately I'm taking us into dangerous grounds, and that would be part of the recovery. Yeah, my cat like was so angry at him. I came outside and he was all poofed up. He was like blown up. He looked like a really big fat balloon with all his hair. Right? So so I came out and I noticed that there was a little tiny drop of blood. I'm like, what the heck? Who's bleeding? I'm like, hey, come over here, right? Who's bleeding? And then the dog, like my dog comes out of the under the chair, all sad, like, it was me, I did it, I picked the fight, I shouldn't have fought, you know. And then I'm sorry, team, I had to clean him up real quick. All right, so we got another 5-minute closure beneath the moving averages here, and this 5-minute closure yet again testing both of the resistances here. I think I'm feeling like a little bit bearish here. Oh yeah, he totally messed his lip up. And I'm like, dude, what are you messing with? Like, what are you messing with the freaking cat for? Yeah, I love them floofed. So I grabbed him and I held, his name is Gizmo with 2 Z's. Right? And I wanted to name him Gizmo because of the Gremlins movie back, I think it was late 80s, early 90s, I think. I wanted to name him Gizmo. So I named the Gizmo with the two Z's, right? And I've had him since he was super tiny. I was never a cat guy, and I'm still not a cat guy. I'm a Gizmo guy, right? So I can't do cats. I can't, right? But Gizmo's like not a cat. That dude is like, he's seriously a lion. And he just kicked the dog's butt right now, man. And I'm like, dude, man. I'm like, I love that you can hold your own, but sometimes they mess with each other. And then later on, you'll see them sleeping in the same bed right next to each other, literally touching. And it's the cutest thing in the world, yeah, but it's just sometimes it gets a little dangerous, so I have to slap them both. I have to tell them hell no when it's happening, right? I have to break them apart. I'll be like with my feet and everything. Stop. Dude. Oh man. For the longest time, I definitely was not a fan of cats. I hated cats. But Gizmo was actually given to me by one of my coworkers, and he said, dude, he needs a home. And I'm like, dude, that's a cat, bro. I don't like cats. And he's like, dude, I know. But I was like, I just wanted to know because you got space. And I was like, dude, what? I was like, let me see this damn thing. And I look at him. He's a tuxedo, right? He's a tuxedo. Everything that would make me definitely not hypoallergenic, right? Everything that'll get my nose going nuts. So he says, you can have him. And I'm like, when was he born? He said he was just born last week. And I'm like, what? I'm like, dude, what's happening with him? He got a little damage in his eye or something because a dog bit him when he was just a kitten. And I'm like, what's wrong with his eye? And he said, yeah, this big dog bit him. Dude, I'm telling you, I can't keep him here. And I said, oh, dude, hell no. Yeah, just give me the cat, man. I'm gonna save his life. Right? So I did. And my wife was holding him on the way home, and he had just so many little fleas everywhere. And when we got home, damn, nice 5-minute candle closing beneath the SMA 21 and the SMA 10 now. I'm sorry, the SMA 21, the SMA 5 and the SMA 10 looking really good. Coming back down to the SMA 20 for a potential support, and that's going to be the inflection point, right at the SMA 50. My cat hates our dog. Our dog wants to play, and the cat is like, F off. Oh, dude, Ian, that's amazing. Is that what it, you know what? Damn, get the hell out of here, Brad. That's clever, bro. Let's see. Holy goodness, it could be a dead cat bounce, huh? That's interesting. because it's starting to diminish. I mean, we have declining volume. You would have fed the cat to the dog. Oh, dude. So there's this weird relationship between me and this cat, right? Because I'm not a cat person, but I'm a gizmo person. So and yeah, I don't think I would ever get another cat again, right? Because this one I've had him for years, you know. So he's really easy to take care of. Is it like that with all cats actually? Like I just showed him, I took his poop and I put it into where I wanted him to poop, and forever he pooped there. Right? With my dog, oh my goodness, I would have to teach him the word go. Oh, dude, that's cool. That's cool. That's a good thing, man. That is a good thing. 2 minutes and 52 seconds getting to that point break. So honestly, it would be best if we can move this price just a little bit higher so that it closes bearish instead of bullish from down here. You understand what I mean? So if we can get the price action up here to around, I mean, at least 332, so that we can come back and test that 332.84 and then actually capitulate. I know we're in the upper bound of the half right here, right? So it's still looking, I really just don't want the price action to close so low here. 2 minutes and 18 seconds left. Just a sec, team. Okay. 1 minute, 54 seconds. Not the cats. You like kittens, but not the cats. If all cats are like that, I mean, that's pretty cool. I think the only ones I can really survive with would be probably a Bengal or a Russian blue. You know, all of the hypoallergenic ones, the ones that would help me not die, because I have to grab Gizmo. I have to grab him and I like cradle him like a baby, like stomach up on one arm on the side, you know, and I had to train him to like that. Because I still was such a not a cat person, right? So I would force him to like it like that, and he finally liked it, right? So now he purrs every time I have him like that, right? So, and he'll just stay like that for I don't know, he'll stay like that for an hour if I hold him. But dude, so I mean, dude, having a cat is a cool thing. I thought it was an interesting turn of events. Aiden, oh dude, Cryptic is telling you, bro, Katy Cat is part of the dudes here, man. Stop it. Katy Cat said me? Yeah. That's, you know, like my sister, she often gets you know, when she's at parties with her friends and stuff, she'll often say, I often hear her say things like, I have two big brothers. And I know girls know exactly what that means. Oh man. And yeah, what Cryptic means by that is that you're totally like the homie. Okay, come on. Freaking recovery mode. We need a fall already. Let's do it. It just closed the hourly candle. So in all reality here, we could make a move short-term time frame here to the 332.19. If we do get up there, I will tell you right now, if we do get up to 332.14-ish now. Oh, it's breaking below. Damn it. is breaking below the SMA 50, it's complete recovery mode, right? I mean, we closed upside here. That's great. But what I'm telling you is that quarter position that I exited, this is going to be the push right up here. So somewhere around 332.14. That's what I'm waiting for. I just big time held the loss here. Want to see if the price action rejects from the SMA 50 and validates the SMA 20 or the SMA 5 as a resistance, so that I can continue this to the downside, but with a better cost average up here, which is hence the reason why we, scaled out some position. Getting as creative as possible here, team. So let's see. Here's that quick rejection from the SMA 50 like we're speaking of. I know that the 5-minute time frame has all these resistances all over the place. So I'm not sure that we're going to be able to reach all the way to the hourly time frame SMA 5, but if we do, it's a strong resistance paired with the opposing sides linear regression top. But Cryptic, yeah, I was talking to you, dude, about the linear regression band. Oh, here it goes. That's good. I really want this upside, team, because we can it's part of the recovery, okay? It's part of the play of getting creative here. I just don't know if it can reach that high though. The SMA 10 on the 5-minute is acting as a critical resistance alongside this bar low. 331.75-ish. I was telling you about the linear regression band, TD versus TradingView. If we can adjust it, but I want to know what you meant though, because I'm not. Maybe the middle band would have helped the trade. Yeah, like the middle of the middle, like in between them. Like I think we have to dedicate where the center bands of the center bands are in like, I'm just gonna thicken the lines here, and I'm gonna make the center ones just way thinner. Oh man, okay, I'm not sure that I can reach it, team, but just know that it's still part of the play, right? I want to make sure that we can get this top side here and trigger the 0.25%, bring that cost basis right back up, capitulate, and recover. On both of them. I see it. But you're talking about having the opposing line. You're talking about having the middle of the middle, right? Like a line like, let me just kind of put it out. Yeah, team, I'm still waiting for that upside. I'm not sure that it can happen, but it would be amazing if we can get up here to actually execute that play. Is this what you mean? Having some additional lines in between, because that's kind of what I meant, except that I was going to use stall. Where do I see it going down to? Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, I can do it for you, Double X. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna set a condition here. Okay, because I need to know the moment I need to get long. Okay, so let me get rid of this. Write me the explanation, Cryptic. I want to know what you mean, because I thought what I'm noticing here is that, just real quick, right? This is kind of what I want to implement. Something like this. There are gravitations here. Okay. Yeah, I'm wondering here if I'm going to be able to get that. This is that validation that I'm talking to you about. This upside here, to get that upside and then finally fail it. Double X, I'm right here, buddy. Hold on. I know that you're gonna continue writing, right? But I was just gonna tell you this. So these areas here, these would be those zones that I'm talking about as gravitation, right? So, but I also want to know what you mean too. But on a linear regression band, this is kind of what I want too, because I'm noticing that there is rejection at these in these points. So yeah, that's currently what I think I want to add here. What do you think? What's up, Lauren? Good to see you here, brother. Okay, yeah, we will. But not, I'm going to leave you with one thing though, Cryptic. I don't mean this to use this area for closure for a downside. What I mean here is when we're, for example, closing a candle around here, then technically it's actually closing above this linear regression band when it's here, right? So if we close above here, I've noticed that price action comes down to validated, gravitationally pulling it down to the support before making its upside. And it does that in either zone. So I'm going to, I can create a mock-up script. I'll code this tonight. And then I'll show you what I mean. Okay. All right. So anyway, just real quick, I have my notification here. Yeah, I'm down, dude. I'm down. Even if we didn't have any, I'm down with whatever. But let's yeah, we could do that. We could do the zones like that too. Absolutely. I hear you. Let me go to just, in other words, what? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I need to take a look at stall real quick as we move up to that area to re-enter that quarter position. Let's see. What did I say yesterday? That this was likely to move up. Okay, so scaling an entry, this is it right here. Yeah, because this is starting to set up a massive bullish crossover. Like these would be the two entries here, 2 zeros and 8 0 to 2 zeros and 7 0. You're literally sitting at one of them. So I'm thinking here, double X. I'm thinking here this could be one. Let me see the shorter. I got to remember that this is the daily. I have to keep it that way for my thesis. Let me see the 3 hour. Yeah, wait. I think this actually may pull back. Yeah, I think this actually may pull back. So take a look at these targets, okay, for future positioning. 2 zeros and 6 8 bottom to about 2 zeros and 6 2. And that's what I'm looking at here as a reaccumulation before a continuation. But okay, let me see. Yeah, brother. I think I know that there's an inflection here at 2 zeros and 7 0. Yeah, bro. Okay, so I definitely see the downside coming in. I would keep it. Yeah, final thesis here. 2 zeros and 7 0 Okay, not the 6-8, just in case, right? So 2 zeros and 7-0 to 2 zeros and 8-0 where you're sitting right now. And then if it does break down the 2 zeros and 7-0, look at the 0062. Okay, and that's currently what I'm thinking. But yeah, I definitely see a downside there, brother. Getting so close to that potential target team. I want to get right up there and trigger. Let me see, can it even do it? Oh, no way. Okay, crossing over the 331.96. Take a look at my mouse here on the hourly time frame. That's the linear regression top. And take a look at the cursor on the 5 minute to the left screen. See that moving average? I'm wondering if that's where we resist. So Double X, thanks, bro. Have an order in that 2 zeros and 7-0 already. Thanks, man. Gotcha, my brother. Okay, here we go, team. This is where I'm going to initiate that quarter position. Or not the full quarter. Sorry, I said I was going to do half of that quarter, right? So and that would be the uncertainty of me knowing if it's actually going to reach the SMA 50 right at the top side of the linear regression. So let me know if you achieve it, Double X. Let me know if you achieve that. Okay, here we go. Nice. Getting really close to that SMA 5. Okay, at this velocity, I think I'm going to wait for that SMA 50 touch on the 5 minute, which is the linear regression hourly time frame mid band. See how you're what? Your bands. Are you talking about your bands? Okay, just keep that thought in mind because I don't see it. I need you to explain it to me. Yeah, so this is part of it, Bob. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting here for either the SMA 5 resistance or the linear regression band 332.63. No, I'm there. I'm looking at it. I just need to talk to you about it. Yeah, because because the candles don't really look alike. Nice, Lauren, bro. You should post your gains on the flex, on the Arca Bulls flex. You never do it. What I'm noticed, yeah, I'm gonna talk to you about the drawing, right? Oh, I'm sorry, your linear bands, because I don't know if I'm noticing that you're technically. I'm gonna talk to you more about it, but I think you were up here, right? Somewhere like in here. You're taking a shot like. It's all good, Lauren. It's all good. You don't have to, man. I know. But you're flexing here right now, though. Ah! Oh, I don't know if I can reach it. I don't know if I can actually reach it. Do I remember how he ended up? Okay, here's that shot that I was taking, that I was talking about, team. Let's see if we can get the resistance of the SMA 50. If we can get up there, that'd be amazing. Oh man, resisting again from the SMA 5. Not sure if it can do it, damn it. Nah, Lauren, it doesn't matter, bro. It really doesn't matter. Apologies, buddy. Yeah, I'm looking at your. Yeah, I really have to show you. The 90. Cats are easy. My Maximus will not tolerate others. He's a beast. Ah, what a cutie. Wow. Okay, yeah, for sure did not reach all the way to the SMA 50. Oh my goodness. 1 minute and 33 seconds left to close a bearish engulfing on the 5 minute. $490 exactly? How do you know that? And what is that $490? I think we're in price discovery right now. I don't think there's anything above us. How are you determining the PT? The PT. Just about, let's see. Just under a minute to close this bearish engulfing here. It's, man. The option, yeah, you're looking at the strike. $475 or whatever that was to $490 is kind of a sneeze away. You know, we're talking about a $500 asset making a $20 jump. And it has like a $7 average true range. That can be achieved in 3 days. Do you know what I mean? I think it's such a heavy, yeah, it's such a heavy asset. But yeah, man, I don't know if what I was talking about is I don't know if we actually went too frothy here. That we went too bullish on the SPY and everything, and that's good. But what I was telling you earlier too, I think was a couple weeks ago, the likelihood of pivoting for a rate decrease this FOMC was highly unlikely. And that's what they did, right? They maintained it. but yeah, dude, it's just, I don't know. I think it was, close the year off without actually pivoting at the last quarter. I think that it would be a better thing for us to just pivot at a fresh new quarter. Okay, let's see if it can actually get that SMA 50. Yeah, that's next year. That's next year. Yeah, but I was trying to tell you 2 weeks ago that it was not likely for them to pivot this year. That they would maintain, if anything. And I was mentioning to you that it's too fast. We can't deflate that fast, brother. We need to maintain a certain amount of inflation versus it's just the balance, right? I kind of compared it to you, that's what I told you, that they were going to maintain, that they were not going to decrease. But you were telling me that they were going to pivot. And I'm like, dude, no, they would very likely no. Because pivoting, dude, that would mean, that would mean a complete recovery. And then we would I told you that it was going to be too fast. If we do that, that's actually going to create more. Oh, dude, I don't know. It would be too fast, in my personal opinion. Oh, gotcha. I'm sorry, man. I thought I was under the impression that you did. I literally talked to myself. Okay, cool. Getting close to that SMA 50 team. Oh, dude. If they decrease 25 bips, like no matter which way we look at it, it's a pivot. So that would force the markets into like a massive, like just this huge bull run. Look at maintaining it. Look what it did. It pushed the SPY into all-time highs into price discovery. Imagine if they did pivot, dude. I think that's too dangerous. No, dude. I think it would change the whole dynamic of the markets. Maintaining the interest rate where it is pushed us into that all-time high, dude. Who knows what would have happened if they actually did pivot, dude? We probably wouldn't have come back today. Do you know what I mean? It would be so crazy. Oh, dude, I know. I get it, dude. I just think that yeah, but I don't think that the Fed worries about the markets that much, dude. They have it in their minds, but I don't think stock market is really what they're looking at as a metric, as the primary indicator. I think they have other worries. Nice little rejection from the SMA 50 team. And Fed Powell has said it himself. He's like, he got asked so many questions about the stock market. I think it was sometime late last year, where he said monetary policy is not to worry about what the U.S. equities are doing. That comes in second. Just the sec team. What is Biden doing, brother? Speak to me again. So, Katie Cat, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to see if I can get this SMA 50 to be the bottom line here for us to recover the closure here out of lunch. So the initial bet was to close as close as possible to the upside here so that we can recover at the SMA 5, aka the mid band here, close the lunchtime and get this thing way down. So right here, okay, now beyond the SMA 50 was the linear regression band, right? So here is the resistance that I'm speaking of. I want to see if we can maintain this resistance here. I mean, we still have 33 minutes. It's still kind of a terrible time away, right? So if we can maintain this resistance and close below it, that's what I was betting on the close. Bro, I don't want to look through Discord. Hold on. So I'm bound to wait here these last 32 minutes. Oh, okay, hold on. So sorry, dude. What was your? I gotta tell you how much I dislike the word call out. But dude, what did you say about this? Oh, that this is where you're working right now? Oh, this was the thing that I told you. Like, was it considered insider trading? Oh my goodness, dude. Dangerous times. Rocco, where you at? Send me a shoot me a DM on Discord, yeah? Yeah, of course, brother. Definitely do not say anything. I forgot when it was, and I spoke to you about it, and I said short-term downside. And reaccumulation could start at some point. I forgot where it was that I told you, but it seems like it did happen, though. Oh, dude, that's awesome, brother. I really don't mind, though. I'm not right all the time. You know what I mean, dude? I'm definitely not perfect at trading. I'm definitely not perfect at calling. Okay, just waiting here, team. I'm just waiting to see if it's going to break this linear regression, short or long. Super upsetting. Where are you at? Let's see. Oh, gotcha, Rocco. That was you? Dude, no doubt. Hold on. Check this out. Sorry, that was just a little bit ago. Hold on. Yeah. Steve's saying, yeah, I don't make mistakes either. Once I thought I had made a mistake, but it turns out I was mistaken. Same, dude. Same. Oh my goodness, man. So here's that lingering around, right? See, I don't know. I just don't know if it's going to be able to close beneath it. But I'm trying to get as creative as I can here to salvage it. Katie Cat, are you talking to me? Lauren, I'll catch you later, brother. Be safe, be well. Oh, let it be. Rosy Gray Glass is giving me that awesome information. That is good to know. That means pressure to the downside over everything. Still waiting on that 28-minute close. What time is it? It's 9:32. The flip of the script. The flip of the script is the last thing here. 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. I will remove another quarter position out of this in order for me to try to salvage it somehow. Two minutes, 5 seconds. He said he forgot to say goodbye to Cryptic, baby. Oh no. So yeah, Bob, but it's overall trending down, right? So that's the trending down means pressure on equities. I mean, I honestly see contraction, and yeah, definitely contraction happening. I absolutely see a resistance coming up right in here, which is the resistance of the top band. This is not a... Sebastian, did you fall asleep? Yeah, Bob. It's so inverse, completely inverse, right? So if we're facing that pressure for 47 seconds left, team. So the scale out here, the second scale out would be waiting to resist from the SMA 100 upon closure beneath it. Yeah, dollar down, stocks up. So dollar down, bonds down, oil down, stocks up. Lauren, what? Keep a close eye on that SMA. Okay, good. We got a closure beneath it. All right, so this would be the test here. Zen, and I am honestly at a critical resistance here. This is that tick. Two major resistances in here. Lauren, I'm thinking the same. And also, I think as we approach the closure, or as we approach the end of lunchtime, that's really what I'm waiting for. Oh yeah, dude, I am, and I'm scaling out of it little by little. So what I'm doing now is I just got the closure of the 5 minute candle beneath the SMA 100. I want the SMA 100 touch so that we can come back down around the SMA 5, scale out a little more. Because it's recoverable, and I don't want to take. No. Meta is it's a December 15th. It's usually next day or 2 day. Which honestly, it's actually it's actually pretty awesome that it does have that. The December 15th. That's what everyone is saying. That everyone is like bearish the market. Everybody thinks it's gonna sell off, but not sell off entirely. I mean, this is. I mean, what was the bottom side today? $471 was the bottom side today on the SPY. Yeah, I think that there's only the 15th expiration here. I don't think you could do 0 DTE on these at all. Okay, let me pay attention. Hold on just a sec. Okay, here's a rejection of the SMA 100. I want to see if this thing can pull back as far as possible. Hopefully the SMA 5 around 332.97 to around 333.15 for a scale out there. I'm going to do another 0.25% out. Tesla still on a run? Incredible. $93, what's up? Good to see you, my brother. Okay. Part of the plan is initiating, right, team? Let's see if we can get down to that level. Again, 332.93 to around 333.14-ish or 333.15. Kill it, my brother. Ah, Danielle, I hated that. Did you call? Did you try to merge the account? Because upon this drop here, this is where I want. I'm really looking for a potential scale out right down here. Another 0.25% out. Carvana up 18%. ENPH up 16%. Yeah, did they have good news or what was it? Okay, here's the closure. 333.10 could be the one. Let's just see. Really? No news. $93. I'm currently in recovery right now, my brother. Lauren, what was the double top, brother? On the what time frame? I am curious. Oh, on the left. It is pretty damn close. Still consider that for sure. I see what you mean. Alongside the SMA 100. I'm gonna keep the puts, right? So, but I want to remove from the market strategically so that I can recover. So 333.12-ish is now that new target. I'm gonna remove quarter position from there too. Testing the 100 SMA on the 5-minute. I want to get confirmation before I do that. And because that's what I was telling people, but I want to reserve a little more. I want to reserve a little more from because I'm completely extended. Well, I'm quarter out already. But I want to pull out a little more so that I have more artillery to kill the market order upon a validation of resistance and a breakdown. Because call me crazy here, but 5-minute meta looks like a rising wedge. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Check it out. This is not bullish. So let's see. Let's say we break down like 10 minutes after lunch, 5 minutes after lunch. Bottom side target here would be 329.42. Yeah, I'm still bearish the market. Well, meta. And actually the SPY too, man. This is about to close inside of the linear regression in the hourly. If it does not combat the 473.56 in 15 minutes, this is closing below. And that'll start applying negative pressure. Maybe, right? I don't know if it could be validated as this, but it looks pretty straightforward to me. Like, what I mean is that I didn't force the formation. It is what it is, so I'm hoping that that's the actual like little thing happening here. Yeah, this meaning that if we're looking at pivots, this is one, and then this would be the next. Or at or around. Yes, Danielle, I would wait for closure on whatever time frame you're looking at, the closure of that time frame minimum. Uh, the feelings that everyone had, dude. I also felt like the same. The same thing, right? This is what I mean. This was yesterday at 2:21 p.m. and I fed the Fed basically said it's bull cycle time. You know, so you're not alone, Lauren, thinking what you're thinking, bro. Me too. F. Okay, let me. Oh, nice. Hold on, I'm gonna put at inflection point. I'm gonna put an alert right there. No, Danielle, but I would honestly use the upper time frames. Use the 4 hour. I personally like the 8, 12, and daily. Same here, bro. I've been bullish for the last 2 months. Nice. Damn it. It just fell beneath that. Not sure if this is the process, but it could be it. $93, you caught it? So I'm not sure if this is the actual prep here. It's already falling a little bit lower now. Okay. Let's wait for this closure. 1 minute and 23 seconds to close beneath the SMA 5. There we go. Oh yeah, where to? I'm not sure. Let me find out. I'm about to go into the Discord and be like, Sanka, you alive? Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. 93, that's awesome. Careful, you can actually reach a take profit right around in here too. $23 seconds left to close beneath all the range high here. I think we're in that process. Okay, wow. Damn, closing and opening beneath the SMA 10. Ooh. This may be that bear process, team. I'm not sure, but it's looking like it. We're about to ride this 5-minute rising canes here. Sebastian, you're alive. Very happy you're here. $93, damn. Dude, yeah, this is capitulating a little faster than I thought. But this was the narrative shift that I was kind of banking on, right? It's the lunchtime shift. 3 minutes, 43 seconds to close beneath these major moving averages here. Just completely broke down all of them. This is looking more and more like the complete recovery. Northwest, I'm coming at you, my brother. It's just getting a little hot for me right here. I need to get out of this position immediately. People are totally front running it. 3 minutes left to close the hourly. And that hourly is about to close in. This is what I was saying, right, team? Look at this. Hourly time frame shooting star. Nice. Oh my goodness. I think we're going to recover. So ideally, closing this as close to the mid band as we can for a bear play. Ugh. 7 minutes and 38 seconds, team. Lauren Wood, I agree with you, my brother. I think so. Rocka saying I changed my underwear 3 times already. Looks like they're eating lunch in their office. That's good. See, they wanted to mess around with everyone today. That sucks. Not cool. Okay. 1 minute and 51 seconds to close our first 5-minute candle beneath the wedge. Recovery sucks. We're gonna have to come out with another banger play to get rid of this. Lauren, you thinking, brother? Here goes 1 minute, 17 seconds left. 6 minutes to close the hourly time frame. 1 minute, 10 seconds to close beneath the major moving averages here. We literally just got all of them on one shot. It almost feels like, Lauren, that's funny you're saying that because it almost feels like it was kind of a little bit of a bull trap. Like it went too gnarly, too fast. 5 minutes, 40 seconds left, 39 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle. Let's do it. Yeah, Lauren, that ALMT. Oh my God. That thing went to the moon, didn't it? Are you able to trade your own company or no? Is that like a conflict of interest? You're going to get hit in the butt for doing that? Like you should not do that ever? You can't trade that, right? Like that would be not good. Nice. Closure beneath the moving averages and the wedge looking nice. Oh, yes. Thank goodness it closed below. All right, here's where remember, team, the artillery that I was talking to you about, okay? The position exits that I have, I'm going to use at the close of the hourly beneath the regression band. It's already getting front run. Oh, you have to file to want some. That's cool. Dude, that's cool. So you can hold long term. That's a great opportunity. Four minutes left to close. Zenon. Okay, for you, we have to start observing here a potential 330. But in all reality, that the target should actually be around 329.25. Wait for it. That's going to change with volatility. We're about to get out of lunchtime. Shooting star about to print on the hourly. 3 minutes, 37 seconds left. We're completely breaking down the wedge right now. Three minutes, 20 seconds. The 5 minute and the hourly are completely synced in time now. No, Eric, how far did it go? Finger got smoked, I'm hearing. 2 minutes, 50 seconds left, team. Damn, no way. Well, it was close to 450, I remember. Danielle, I'm so happy that you did. Ian, that could be the reason why they're messing with the price action, because of the expiry of the... Not a problem, my brother. So if you want to bank on your position, I'm thinking that you could close as soon as 331.21 for your position, right? But my bet is 330 with a bottom range of about 329.50 being the wedge bottom. The wedge bottom just happens to be the linear regression bottom too. This one that we drew here, I didn't even notice it until just now that it is the bottom side of the wedge. Incredible. 1 minute, 51 seconds. All right, let's go. Complete recovery mode now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Wow. Oh, yeah. You know what? Not many people are going to get off like that either, Danielle. There could be worse. A lot worse. Okay, complete attempt at recovery here, team. This is a massive breakdown, and 51 seconds left, and it looks like even the hourly candle may close beneath the SMA 50. Wow. Yeah, as volatility increases, brother, remember the volatility is going to increase the moment that lunchtime is over. So that volatility increase is going to start pushing your thing back into normal. Yeah, Katie Cat, I would agree. Damn it, Aiden. Bro, you got to pass me your damn Venmo, man. When you're that close to something, dude, come on, man. You got to DM me, dude. Damn, you have 14K in GT. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. The hourly time frame closed beneath. Oh, dude. It closed beneath the moving averages. Wow. Volatility is about to increase and this thing is about to become... All right. Call me crazy. I just got I just used some of that liquidity from the average out, from the quarter out. Let's go. Here we go. Remember the targets. Remember the targets that I'm looking for, okay? First target being right at around $330. It's okay that price action retraces. It's fine, right? We still need to validate the SMA 5 and the SMA 20 if it decides to do so. Aiden, bro, dude, it's not about that, man. It's about, dude, if you need freaking $15, let's go. Dude, I'm not going to do that. Come on, man. I got you. Like, if you feel that you're just shy of playing a play, like, dude, I would have totally spotted you. And then if you feel so responsible to pay me back $15, you know, like, then then so be it. But dude, no, man, come on. You know I got you. Bob, nice. Yeah, so everything is pressuring down even lower now. All assets are pushing down. Meta's feeling the pressure finally. Cryptic Trader, Venmo me. $10, I'll let you borrow 5. Nah, dude, for real though, for real. Dude, any of my guys, dude, anyone, dude, I wouldn't care. Dark Zenon in complete recovery, let's go. This thing is still falling off the moon here from that wedge. Typical breakdown formation coming into our target. Remember, the target here that I'm observing is 329.47. The SPY is dumping. Nice. That's what we want. Roku completely falling off the cliff here too. Small little recoveries and little bounces here and there, but overall, oh damn, Nvidia also falling, guys, everything. AMD falling as well, finding some support at the SMA 50 here, but we shall see what that has for us. Getting very close to our targets here, team. Oh my goodness, nice. Finger at 415, damn, that really got messed up. So one of our targets just got realized there, team. Let's see if we can push this down even yet a little bit lower. Yeah, literally, how can I take your money today? Very, very interesting times here, team. Katie Cat, you're in. Are you in the chat? Okay, good, gotcha. Because you and Raka are ones that I'm kind of observing. Cryptic Trader, I don't want any of you to listen to me. Not financial advice. Oh my goodness, dude. Support for the downside is coming in, meaning resistance is about to be touched. That's that SMA 50 still. But this is wow. Bear volume moving up. Yeah, bear volume is now moving above the moving average. We just got a 5-minute closure beneath the prior bar low. There could be a recovery to the SMA 5 before a continuation to the downside. Oh, no, not a problem, bro. Dude, wait, Raka, you weren't on speaking terms? What happened? Is everything cool? I mean, I you know what? I don't even know if you want to even talk about it. Sorry, brother. I didn't mean to ask. Over here just prying open your life? Oh, I got you, Bob. I got you. I meant me, Bob, not you. I meant me. Oh, dude. I thought it was you. I would have sucked a lot. Okay, recovery is still in place, team. I'm just wondering to see if we can actually come back up and validate resistances. I don't know if we can do it all the way up there, but it's still a potential. We're getting rejections and we're still getting downside here. Bear volume is actually moving above the moving average. And the asset is still kind of falling, right? So, and you know what? I think it's due to the SPY continuing to capitulate right now even harder. So it's looking like Meta's feeling that pressure to the downside too. It still has a way to go. I'm happy that you reminded me, Northwest. I won't forget. That Chat Vivian, what's up, man? Are you joking, dude? That's stupid. Let's go. Chat Vivian, show me his gains right here. Look at that closed P&L. Dude, get out of here. Bro, talk about a star student over here, man. Let's go, brother. You got the runner sitting in? That's what I like to hear, man. Yes. Sometimes we have the bad trades. Sometimes we have the good trades, as long as we can outweigh them, man. But on average, dude, I think I face one bad trade-ish. You know, I'll try to recover it as best as I can. And I'll face like one every week or every other week or around there, right? So it's just, I mean, it's zero-sum game up in here, man. Aiden, let's go. Really want to see if we can minimize this loss even more. Cryptic Trader did not fail his classes. Michael, dude, it's dangerous, bro. It's dangerous. The only thing is that people like Katie Cat, people like Rocca, they mean a lot to me. You guys mean a lot to me. So I'm gonna I will make a bad trade here and there, right? But I will try my very best to recover it and take back every single last dollar that one way or another, whether it's the same play or the next day's trade. I will do it some way. I will not end up like that. Cryptic Trader taking care of Katie right now. Rock is on his own. No, I got him. Okay, here's the resistance touches. Oh, man. Am I so daring right here? This is it. We just got a 5-minute closure beneath the major moving averages again. Every single moving average above us now in the 5-minute time frame. Can you Venmo me $50? I'll buy. That's a terrible thing to say. Chad, so what if he has, bro? Consistency is key. So if he has done that, dude, I don't know. You say, me. Do you understand? Like, he probably doesn't even know. He probably doesn't even know, like, what your life even is. Dude, everything is, dude, yeah, man, no. My hats off go to you, not him. To you, man. Because your needs and his needs are quite different. Oh, NASDAQ went red? That's good to hear. That's good for our puts. It looks like Tom is going to be able to keep his Facebook account. He will not delete it because now the puts are getting a little more respected here. Yeah, dude, that's the best kind of trader. Lauren, sorry, buddy. Sorry, dude. Are you talking about the, hold on. Josh is kind of, no, Cryptic. There's a lot I'd have to tell you about that, brother. A lot I have to tell you about that. And then you will likely change your mind. No, dude, hell no, because I freaking love that guy, bro. He's family to me. But Lauren, dude, but I have to tell you about it, and you're gonna be like, oh damn, okay. Man. Hell yeah, I know you do, bro, and he likes you too. He knows how to roughhouse. What the hell? Dude, no, I was gonna tell you that I really. I'm gonna ask him permission. I'm gonna ask him for permission to tell you some cool stuff. Oh, Lauren, I'm sorry, dude. I thought you meant to look at, like, I thought you emailed me. Hold on just a sec. If I gotta do something here, I gotta do it actually for Northwest. Let me put an alert right over here. I need to know when we're falling beneath this level here. Okay, and then Northwest, you in here? Holy goodness, look at FNG. Damn. Dude. Oh, that's ridiculous. Cryptic. Oh, dude. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Nothing on 30. Let's go to the hourly. Screw it. Nothing on the hourly. 30-minute nothing. 15-minute nothing. Please remember, we're looking for the yellow X's for the condition. Okay, we got a blood diamond though. That's not manipulation, but it was a clear warning to get out of the market at 442. Huge print. It was already, damn, it was warning over and over. It was like, let's get out, let's get out, let's get out, let's get out. Katie Cat. So I would imagine that happens tomorrow at market close or close to market close. You're not wrong. I just think that they would probably push it until the day to make sure that they can trap all kinds of liquidity there. It's literally free money for them at that point. Nothing on the 4-minute, 3-minute time frame, nothing there either. The buy minute, we're not looking at anything there either. Let's see the hourly. I'm sorry, the hourly, the 1 minute. Okay, good. So we do have manipulation reads, but not here. Hold on. I just wanted to make sure that we had the X's enabled. Steve Mertz, kill it, my brother. Yeah, we can't, guys. It's just, this is so much risk. This is high risk. I mean, for oh my goodness, yeah, 30-second intervals has 2 shots of manipulation, and this could be the short run up here before a continuation to the downside. 2 strikes of manipulation on the 30-second interval. 15 seconds has 3 strikes of manipulation. Damn. 10-second interval has 4 strikes of manipulation. My goodness in heaven. Oh my goodness, dude. And also, it just printed a blood diamond. This is likely to continue to the downside. Three strikes of manipulation on the 5-second intervals with a blood diamond printed as well. Damn, dude. That really is unfortunate. There is still more downside to go. Likely for FNGR to reach around 412 to the area of about 413. Northwest, be careful with this, brother. All right, we're coming back down, team. Let's recover the damn market already. Let's go. And what I mean by that is downside. Traveling session, what's up, brother? How are you? AMD completely falling beneath the SMA 50 right now. I think it still has more downside to go. Targets to kind of observe here would be around 136.04 to about 136.31. Keep an eye on those. 136.04 to 136.01. Those are looking pretty desirable there. But the entire market is facing pressure to the downside right now. I'm pretty much there with you, Zenon. Just waiting for this thing to finally validate whatever it needs to freaking validate, right? We have the hourly time frame, SMA 5 and the SMA 50 as validators for resistance. I completely agree with you, Daniel. Traveling session, I got you, bro. No problem. Yeah, Arca, Nvidia completely falling off a cliff still, right? Some small recovery, I must say, but I think it's short term. Hourly time frame looks like a freaking dead cat bounce here. I'm right there, brothers. So this is the resistance that we were talking about a little bit earlier, right? We would get that top side to validate whatever we need to do within these moving averages because we broke below it. Right, so if we're going to get this complete recovery here, this would be a very strong recovery to combat. Oh, man. You know what? Aiden. Hold on. Let's see. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Check this out, Aiden. This was yesterday. These were my plays yesterday. When in long, this is for the SPY. 0 DTE longs, 96, 97, 98, exited at 110 each. Second play, I went in at 115, 113, average down to around the area of around 112-ish, exited at 136. Then after that trade, I went in at 84 each contract, averaged it down to around 83, sold at 112 and 111. Receipts, bro. Definitely, I'm not a perfect trader, but I will have red days here and there, right? But we're going to try our best to recover them the strike rate matters, man. My batting average matters. You're going to have great batters out there, man, but they're not going to hit a home run every single time. But we're going to try our freaking best because we have the skills, right? Here we go, getting that rejection finally. Let's see if it can continue capitulating already. Let's get it. Yeah, Aiden, I'm gonna agree with you there, dude. Let me know. I want to know exactly what you have. Send me the specs. I remember it was MacBook Pro, but it said, and dude, the trading world is a Windows world, bro. Music world, Apple world. I mean, it can do both. Whatever, man. It doesn't matter. If you're running an Intel chip on a MacBook Pro, you can do Parallels, or you can do Boot Camp, and you can run Windows. You can run Windows on there for all alternate booting, for booting into a different OS. And I'm about to do that to my 2019 the MacBook Pro with a touch bar. Aiden, I know, man. I know. Okay, there we go. Passing by my initial perfect. That was starting to worry you weren't. Damon just said, Arca, you had been so perfect that was starting to worry you weren't human. I was thinking you were in the inside. Oh, dude, you are not the first to say that, man. I swear on everything, man. I've been people when they say there's no way you called that, the fundamental catalyst came out today. You are definitely, you are in the insider trading. We're gonna call you out. We're gonna call you out and short you. Oh my goodness, dude. So, man, I'm just saying. No, Lauren, Aiden is asking you that because I turned him on. I turned him on to one of the. I mean, I would honestly say one of the best day traders, swing traders that there are like ever. His name is Lance Breitstein. Right, he's the star trader and trainer for SMB Capital, and he's like an athlete, bro. He's like an athlete. Like, I mean, this is the guy. If you want to see the guy trade, this is the guy to watch, right? But he doesn't explain his thesis. He doesn't give trade signals. Doesn't do none of that. None of that. He's just a pro trader, right? So, in an interview, Lance Breitstein said that he goes, don't listen to anybody that is not showing you the proof on receipts, right? So, so Aiden Davis came up to me the next day and said, Arca, let me see your receipts. And I knew it was going to happen. And so Aiden goes, Arca, let me see your receipts. And I'm like, damn. All right. I was like, here we go. Let me go ahead and start copy pasting whatever I could find. And he was like, oh, okay, that's sick. And that's why at this moment, I needed to, because he asked you, I needed to show him these receipts here from me, right? So you can see that his mentor is still killing it, right? So despite the fact that we're going to have a negative trade here and there, the freaking receipts show it, man. And that's only yesterday, dude. My bro. But that's why he's asking you, dude. He's asking you because he just, it just is what it is, man. And he also looks up to Lance Breitstein, dude. He's a great trader. He's an 8-figure trader for SMB Capital. You are hearing it right, bro. 8-figure trader. His trading portfolio is 8 figures. Can you imagine his damn checking? Oh, man. Aiden Davis just said, Arca, check phone immediately. Where is cellular device? Cellular. Okay. All right, come on. I need to get that recovery in, team. And if it takes too long to do this, oh, nice. Check this out. Oh, there's a little, there's some sign of life. 5-minute time frame, bearish engulfing coming up in 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right, Aiden, you got my reply, buddy. My second one, too. Observe. I'm not done with you. Danielle Spears. That's probably the best thing you could do. I also, man. Hold on. Maybe I can do this for you right now. Maybe I could do this for you right now. Hold on. Let me put this on. Okay, cool. Come on. Here we go. Are you serious? There we go. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to go into Discord. I'm going to do this for you, okay? We're still here. We're still here waiting for the freaking play. Let me go into the moderators chat. I'm going to post this up. So I'm taking a picture of what it looks like in front of me because it's kind of a gaming type of layout. Okay? So let me just open it up here in the browser. And this, I just took the picture right now for you to see. This is, there's, the microphone down here. That's, oh, hold on. I can see what happened. There we go. And there we go. Okay. So yeah, this thing at the bottom right, that's the PC. Right? And yeah, so it kind of looks like a gaming setup here, but this is currently what I'm observing. Literally what I'm looking at in front of my face right now. Those are the dual 49-inch curved displays on top of each other. Hayden Davis just said that is lit. Oh my goodness. Yes, Danielle, they are. And I don't know if you remember this, is because I'm a seasoned producer, right? A mixing and mastering engineer. So those are top tier panels, sound absorption panels. I need to make sure that my bass frequencies are even throughout the whole room. I need to make sure that the frequencies disperse evenly. Here we go. Bearish engulfing on a 5-minute time frame beneath moving averages. You have 3 monitors waiting for a PC. Let's go. But yeah, so those monitors, when you play a game on them, I have to say that I put a demo of a game in it, like a car racing game or like Call of Duty, and it was incredible to see the amount of sight you can see left and right. You know what, Dark Xanon, that is an amazing idea. I think I will. I think I absolutely will. And that's going to be something that a lot of people will appreciate. 5-minute time frame coming to resist from the SMA 10 with a bullish engulfing. But still, we have to observe the hourly. Dude, describe it to me. What is it? Tell me right now. But yeah, I am going to do it. I have, man, I'm at the brink of wanting to change my motherboard, right? So, whoa. Because I want to be able to support the 13900K i9s. I have a 9900. Okay, SMA 50 hourly time frame about to resist. Oh my goodness, man. Danielle, you could totally flex yours too. You have a gaming PC. Everybody's going to love it. Oh, that I didn't really notice that. The problem with the it's a rising wedge again. The problem with the 5-minute time frame going up is the hourly time frame going to resist at the SMA 50. I mean, that's tough. Katie Cat, 100%. Still exposed. Are you in oh, you are in Discord. Sorry, just needed to take a quick little whoa. Just needed to take a quick little zip. Let me do this. You see how the screen is going to get dark? Okay. Go to the Discord. Let me see. I know I have you now in the there you are. Okay. And let me share with you this. In recovery mode still. Lauren, I don't know why you would be timed out. Actually, Cryptic is gone. That would be someone else. Let's see. Well, I might be. Yeah, Lauren, I'm not sure. Guys, sorry, I don't know who's in here, but Lauren, DM me when that happens, dude, and I want to try to freaking just remove it. Cryptic is not even here. Sasquatch just straight up pointed the finger like, yo, yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this doesn't look like recovery to me, you guys. You know what it's looking like to me? I'm not gonna and just like I said earlier when I said call me crazy, but I think this is a rising wedge. Well, I got one for you. Do you remember what the exit strategy is? Guys, for my master students that are still present in here, please let me know. Do you know what the exit strategy is for a descending formation? What is the other formation in a descending formation that would create its exit strategy? Let me see if I have anybody in here. See, Cryptic Trader just came out and said, Rata, meaning that you ratted him out, boy. So if I don't, wait, I'm going to give another minute here just in case you know. Aiden just said, you look handsome today, brother. 10-second timeout. You're out. Okay, so. Okay, good, Scott. I'm really happy you were able to get in at those targets. So let's do this real quick. I'm gonna use this. Freddy Rodriguez, that is a good guess, but no. Let's just say this was a descending formation. Price action is starting to make its little run here, right? It's having its little it's doing its little dance, right? Playing the ranges. Let me continue this. Playing the ranges, right? So from this formation, typically you tend to get a high like this, a rejection from this point here. It goes to a lower target, and likely to be the target to be faced around the support from this bottom side, creates a top, resists from the channel again, comes back down, resists from this wave as a support, then starts a breakout process. Now this, what you're observing here, is an inverse head and shoulders. And this is a typical, that's right, Chad, that's right. So this is very typical for a breakout, for a descending. Now, this could be looked at for a falling wedge triangle. It can be a broadening or a descending broadening wedge. It could be a descending channel like this. It could be all of those. Now that you know this, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Now that you know this, what do you think would be the breakout formation for an ascending price action? Can you guess what it would be? So let me know. Team, let me know. What do you think the breakout formation would be on an ascending price action here? Now, if you don't know, the breakout formation would be something like this. Bounce from the bottom. Right? We would create something like this, create a new lower high, and then bounce, resist from the channel, continue. So when we're observing this, then you get displayed the inverse of what we were just talking about. See the head and shoulders? Just like this. This is the shoulder here. Then you have your head, then the shoulder. Right? That's right, Chad. Yeah, no, I know what you meant. So this is a typical breakdown formation for an ascending formation. Now that you know this, I may be wrong, but this is also the 5-minute time frame, so invalidations happen a lot. You see it? So that's what I'm looking at. And that's my bet. Take profit target. How do you even figure that out? So neckline, take into consideration your neckline, right? So this would be here, a little choppy because it's sideways. Trend line from the top of the head to the bottom side of the neck. Apply it to the center of your right hand shoulder. Target 326.48. Bearish buy formation. Like I said, it's not validated because it's a 5-minute time frame, and they often, oftentimes the strike rate isn't so good. Hold on. Sorry, team. Yeah, so this is my bet. That this would be a bearish buy formation. Yes, John, we did. Oh my goodness. The 15 second, 10 second, and 5 second intervals have multiple strikes of manipulation. This was about 30 minutes ago, and I said it was likely to fall lower. Sasquatch saying, how can a mod time out another mod? Sounds like manipulation to me. That sounds like anarchy. Treason. Okay, you guys, so that is presently my bet for you. That's what I'm thinking here. The support level would actually come down right at this bottom side of the wick here, the invalidation zone. And honestly, invalidation would be 330.21. Zen, and I think so. Lauren Wood, Cryptic Trader, are you two just trash talking? AMD? No, brother. I don't think AMD looks bullish. I think that AMD in 16 minutes is going to close this hourly time frame beneath this regression, but if it closes beneath the SMA 50, that's especially bearish. So if it closes at the SMA 50, very likely for it to come back up and test 137.93. So maybe a scalp long, but I can't guarantee that it'll make it all the way up there even still, sorry. Because this feels like it's gonna completely fall off the cliff here again. It's breaking key supports here. Yeah, Cryptic Trader is actually the administrator here. He's not a mod. Okay, look at the SPY. Completely eating crap over there. Galvin, not a problem. Guys, so I'm gonna... Hold on. Yeah, in 15 minutes, price action here is going to be closing, or the bet is that it's going to close beneath the SMA 50. And this would introduce yet again another downside. At the very least, she's a he. Okay, you guys, 17 seconds left. Let me see the 5-minute closure. Did it already get prior bar low? It's gonna close. See if it can close at least beyond or lower than the open. 2 seconds left. 1 second. Nice. Got the closure beneath the open of the prior bar. I don't think it's looking too hot here, team, for the... I don't think it's looking too hot for the bulls here. Okay, you guys, so my son is completely awake right now. I need to get to him. But please remember what I'm talking about here, okay? The targets to observe. Again, it's going to be 330, right? So 330 is one of them. The target for let's see, yeah, 329.40 is going to be the target for the rising wedge, and the target for the head and shoulders would be 326.48. You bet your butt I'm going to bet on it. So chat, please remember to be very careful here in the markets. And we will get back into the markets yet again tomorrow, team, and combat the small losses we faced. Katie Cat, I'm gonna catch you later. Chad Vivian, I love you, bro. Aiden Davis, Cryptic Trader, Danielle Spears, I love you all so much. I'm not sure that if we still have some people here. Galvin, I'll see you later, brother. Zenon, we'll talk soon. Please remember what I just said, okay? Even if you have to replay the video just a little bit, it's still here. It's recorded. Remember, okay? Ian Tucker, love you, buddy. Rocca. Rocca, reach out. It's okay. Zen, and you know my brother. Daryl, I'm going to catch you soon. Jeff Nielsen. Damon, Audios team. Appreciate everybody for coming on by. Joey Bryson, I'll catch you in the morning. Yes, I will, Aiden, of course, brother. I got you, man. I got you, man. All right, you guys. John, I'm going to catch you soon. Brad H, adios. Cryptic, love you, buddy. I'll catch you. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, 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 never forever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your day, and I will catch you at the Bell Mañana. Adios. Yeah. Sasquatch, I love you.